Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix games missing from your Steam library. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can configure various aspects of your client. In the settings window, look at the left panel where you'll find several categories. Click on Storage. This section is crucial because it manages all the drives where your Steam games are installed, and if Steam isn't recognizing a drive, your games won't appear in your library even though they're still on your computer. Now, at the top of the storage page, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it and carefully check if the drive where you originally downloaded your games is listed. This is important because Steam needs to know which drives to scan for installed games. If your drive isn't listed here, that's likely why your games are missing. To fix this, click Add Drive. A new drop-down menu will appear. Click on it, then select your local drive from the options available. After selecting the correct drive, click Add to confirm your choice. Here's the great news. Your games will reappear instantly in your library once you've added the drive. Steam will automatically detect all the installed games on that drive, so there's no need to re-download anything. This saves you both time and bandwidth, especially if you have large game files. However, there's also an alternative way to check for missing games if they're not appearing for different reasons. In the upper left corner, click Library to access your games list. Once you're in the library view, click on Games in the upper left to open up a drop-down menu. Make sure to check the box beside Games. Sometimes this filter gets unchecked accidentally, which can make your games seem like they've disappeared. Your games might also be in the hidden list, which is another common reason why they're not visible. To view hidden games, click View in the upper left corner, then select Hidden Games from the menu. You'll now see all your hidden games displayed in the left panel. If you want to bring any of these games back to your main library, simply right-click on the game title. Hover your mouse over Manage, then select Remove from Hidden. The game will immediately return to your regular library view. If you have multiple hidden games, just repeat these steps for each one you want to unhide. Finally, to view all your games in your library, click Show All Collections in the upper left corner. This will display your complete game collection across all categories and collections you've created. And that's how you fix games missing from your Steam library. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.